Well, it's been a long time since I've run this train. I think I've only videotaped it twice. This is the Lionel R-30 set that I got off of eBay, going on 2 years ago now, I think. The QJ train. Very, very highly detailed, just beautiful. With opening and closing doors, as you see. I don't know or remember if this set came with sound like the MTH sets do, with station stop announcements and that sort of thing. I'm gonna have to call Lionel tomorrow on Monday and ask them for a owner's manual of some sort, because I don't believe I got one. And look into whether or not these trains actually have sound with a conductor announcing the stops. But I got it up on a test track, and let's see what it will do. Yeah, what I didn't want to do is to slam it against that bumper at the end of the track, like I did the R-40 inadvertently. And that R-40 moves pretty quickly, and so does this. So, see if I can get something. The horn works. But that's it. I don't know how to get it to do station announcements or, pardon me, to have a conductor make announcements. Let's see if I can get it to come back this way. Darn it. The dummy car's not opening the doors. Its doors. Well, it looks like it wants to open, but something may be preventing it. Let's try it again. See if I can give it some help here. Guess not. Yeah, it feels like it's stuck. How about that? There we go. And by the way, this of course is the powered car with the motor in it. That's why you can't see into the interior, but this one you can. And the one thing I do really like about this set is that see the destination sign here on the side that's lit up? When you change direction, that changes also. See that? So going back the other way, it would go down to the middle board. And of course, the tail end, that changes too. As you can see all red there. It just has the QJ portion lit up. And I noticed both the express and the local signs are lit up. But when you change it, you get headlights, of course. The local and express signs stay lit, and the other half of the destination board lights up. At the other end of the train, you'll have headlights, the LED headlights, like as you would here on this end, like that. Well, I'm sorry, in this direction, the other end of the train would have the red end of train marker lights. And then when you change the direction, like that, now the other end will have the LED headlights lit up. It's a very pretty red too, man. I like this set. It's pretty cool. See if it'll open again. Come on, open up. It goes fast. I'm afraid to bang it against the bumper down there. Of course, I'm using an MTH Z750 controller, not Lionel, so I think I'm lucky to get it to work at all, considering I'm not using Lionel controller. See, it takes off.